Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and this month instead of the Ipsy bag, I got an Ipsy box. It's a little bit smushed, but I'm sure that it's fine. So let's go ahead and break into it. Now the reason I got a box is because I ordered a couple extra things. Oh, it's a cute box. I like how it opens. Discover yourself. So I ordered, so this is the bag that I would get, and then this I think is my extras. So let's see. Wow. Same time next month. I really like how this box works. That's cute. All right, let's see here. So I ordered some more Confidence in a Cleanser because I needed some. And it says not for individual sale. That's interesting. But it's just cleanser that I use on my face. So I'm going to put this in my bathtub and I use it when I'm taking a shower. Yeah. And I like it a lot, so I just needed some more of that, and that's that. Oh, and then it gave me a little one, which is actually nice. This one's Confidence in a Cream. I like to take these with me when I go somewhere, so that it's a nice little travel size. And then I also got myself this. It's Coco Cabana Cream, and this smells so good. It's Sol Janeiro. I think I might give this as a gift, though, so I'm not going to open it, but oh my gosh, it smells so good. This one says 72-hour moisture magnet oil in water body cream. And I know that this stuff works really well. And when you buy Ipsy, they now have specials where you can add on some things. And so that's why I added that on. And then I also got these Model Rock lashes that I thought Katie might like. So I will put those in her stocking. I don't know. Interesting. So there's that. That's the extra stuff that I got. And now let's break into the Ipsy bag and see what I got for my monthly subscription. Cute little leopardy print bag. And then the first thing that's popping out is a Gigi Gorgeous contour brush. Look how fancy. It is very pretty and it looks very fancy. I don't even know how to use this though. I don't know how I'm supposed to contour. So maybe I need to learn, or maybe I need to give this to Katie. That's what I might do. I might put this in her stocking too. See if I can get this thing back on. Ah, yeah. There we go. And I'll put it in here. I don't go out anymore. The only place I really go is to work, and I don't care if I'm contoured for that or not. So I'm going to give that to Katie. This is a really cute bag. Like the little fringe. And here's my thing that tells me everything that's in it. And here's everything I got. The inside of the bag is brown. It's nice. This is cute. Ooh, what's this? Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. Cleans without water, absorbs excess oil, and helps keep hair fresh longer for all hair types. Now, I don't use this either, so that's going to go for Katie. I've tried it, and I don't like dry shampoo. So that one says, short on time, we hear you. Freshen Up Dry Shampoo is a weightless spray that absorbs excess oil and adds instant volume and a delicious scent to your hair. Eva NYC is a professional quality brand that was born in Brooklyn in 2012. Shake can before use, hold 10 to 12 inches from your scalp, and spray lightly for even coverage. Use fingertips to massage through your hair. And then the Gigi Gorgeous, the Gorgeous Contour Brush, named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist Gigi Gorgeous, is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. This chic white contour brush has fluffy bristles and tapered brush head for easy blending and sculpting. Ooh, and then here is this Vasanti Power Oils Lip Gloss. Packed with raspberry, peach kernel, pomegranate oil, and jojoba oil, the gorgeous gloss delivers a burst of yummy moisture combined with rich color. Supermom is a soft, universal pink shade with a light sheen. So it's the shade Supermom, which is kind of a fun name. And it says, use the flexible doe foot applicator to apply color, filling in your lips. Build for desired color and intensity and full voltage shine. It's kind of pretty. I kind of liked it. I didn't know it was going to have that much color. I thought it was going to have less. But we'll see how it wears throughout. This looks like nail polish, maybe. And it is. It's Layla Cosmetics Layba Nail Polish, Layba, in 1012. So many stylish things come from Italy, and this family-owned beauty brand is one of them. This blue-gray polish reminds me of one of my favorite worn-out pairs of jeans because it grows with anything we wear. Plus, the pigment-packed formula lasts up to 7 days without chipping. Apply the polish in 3 strips. So this is not a color that I probably like because I have had blue on my nails recently and I was not a huge fan, but yeah, this is kind of more of a purpley blue. Still not my thing, so that's going to go to Katie. It's pretty, I guess. It's a pretty color, but it's just not my thing. And then, is this the last thing? Yes. This is Barefoot Venus Wild Ginger and Soft and Sweet Orange Mini Instant Hair Repair. It's cute. Little pinup. Nurture dry, wounded hands back to health with this reparative cream made with mango and shea butters and produced in small batches. It won't leave you greasy, but will leave behind a delicious fragrance of wild ginger, sweet orange, tangerine, and grapefruit. Apply this thick hand moisture before bed, after hand washing, or anytime your skin needs intense hydration. And I am going to open this because I will certainly use it. Oh, I thought it was going to have a cover on it, but it doesn't. Oh, it does smell very good. It smells very orangey. So let's see how this is working. It's still really tacky, which I expected it to be with all that shine. I don't know. It has okay stay power, I guess. But let's go ahead and try this lotion. This is a perfect purse size for me. Oh, and it smells so good. It really does. And it is very thick and creamy, but it doesn't feel oily. It can still snap, even though I haven't even finished rubbing it in. Oh, it does feel really good. I'm not even kidding. That would be something that I would buy again, I think. Oh my goodness, it feels really, really good. I can't stop rubbing it. Whew, I think you guys will like this. So of the package, this is my favorite for sure. Wild Ginger Sweet Orange Barefoot Venus. Very nice. Oh, and there's one more thing I think I forgot. What is this? Waterproof eyeliner. And it looks like it's gold. That is interesting. I don't remember getting this. And now that I put that lotion on my hands, I'm not sure I'll be able to open this up. At first I thought, oh, I probably got this for Katie, so I won't open it. But then I thought, I want to see if this is gold, so I'm going to open it. And I can't because I have lotion on my hands. Stand by. Let me see if I can put it in my shirt and get this thing open. Yes. Okay. Okay, no, it's black. It's a black eyeliner. Very nice, though. And it's called Tattooed. I don't know if it's because I've been thinking of Christmas lately, or if this really does remind me of Christmas, this scent. I think it really does remind me of Christmas. And it does look a little bit oily. It doesn't feel so oily. I mean, it feels like I have lotion on my hands, but it looks oilier than it feels. I mean, it feels nice, but it looks kind of greasy. Let's see how this is. Ooh, look at that. Even with the greasy grease, that is staying, and it's not smearing, even though it's coming off now, but it didn't smear. Oh, that's nice. I like that. That is from the nail polish. So this is Skone, S-K-O-N-E, Tattooed Mini Waterproof Eyeliner in the color Jet Black. Insanely intense. So that's nice. So I'm going to definitely keep that. So I think the things that I'm going to keep this month are definitely this and this. I may keep this, and then of the things that I bought, I'm keeping this and this. And then this I'm actually going to give to my son because he loves the smell of coconut, and I think that he'll like that. And then the rest of these things, I'm thinking I'm going to definitely give to my daughter. This is the only one that I'm not sure yet who I'm going to give this to, but if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to gift it to her. But yeah, not too bad. It's fun. And the Ipsy is $10 a month, and you always get a cute makeup bag. So I don't know. I think it's a great deal. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.